As the coronavirus, or COVID-19, continues to affect job sites, it's important to continue to practice and encourage social distancing. This is not only for your safety, but also for your crew around you. There are a few recommendations to help maintain social distancing on the job site. While this can be difficult at times, plan and schedule your work and crew schedules to allow a proper amount of time for each crew to complete their work and move to the next area before another crew is scheduled to begin. This will help prevent overlapping and too many people in small areas. If you or your company have not already, create clearly defined and communicated safety protocols for employees. This includes, but it is not limited to, properly wearing personal protective equipment or PPE, maintaining 6 feet of distance or 2 arms lengths between one another whenever possible, and most importantly, staying home if they begin to experience symptoms or are feeling unwell. If you are currently taping and finishing by hand, consider moving to automatic taping and finishing or ATF tools. Hand finishing generally requires closer contact with crews as they have to operate in smaller areas. It is more difficult and less productive for hand finishing crews to spread out to larger areas. By using automatic taping and finishing tools, crews are able to operate in larger areas and complete work much quicker and more consistently than hand finishing. If you're already using ATF tools, consider assigning one crew member to loading tools and executing a daily tools cleaning schedule. Another option is to consider having an additional set of tools to allow for a set to be cleaned while the other set is being used, reducing your downtime. For more information on coronavirus, COVID-19, or social distancing practices, please visit the CDC website at cdc.gov/coronavirus. And for more tips on social distancing practices, you can visit our website at amestools.com.